Hi there, I'm Sam. I'm the curator of the Canadian Tank Museum, and we're here today to share you a pretty cool update as to a new acquisition that has just arrived recently at our facility. And you might think that this looks a lot like a universal carrier, but as right as you'd be about that, there's a little bit more to the story. This, in fact, is a Windsor Carrier. And if you have a look at the side, you'll certainly see what I mean as far as the differences between the two. Not only is there an extra road wheel, but there's a huge amount of space between the paired horseman bogies on either side, not to mention, of course, the greater length that comes along with that. And it had an entirely different purpose in some senses to the universal carrier. The universal carrier was meant to be something more of a cargo carrying and weapons platform, but the Windsor Carrier came about with the specific idea of towing artillery cannons, especially because artillery cannons are pretty big and heavy. They sometimes need to be moved over rough terrain, so it would be ideal to have a reasonably powerful tracked vehicle that could both tow the cannon and transport all their crew along. So that's exactly the idea that the Windsor Carrier was meant to fulfill. So we're a bit confined in our shop here right now, so it's a bit hard to do a full walk around of it, but we hope to get it out of here in the next few weeks and give you a full in-depth look at this new vehicle. We'd especially like to thank the donors from Collector's Source who transported and gave this vehicle to us, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.
Don't let that snooker get away!